Hello students, today I will tell you how to speak in English confidently without knowing the grammar rules. Don't worry about the rules. If you don't know the rule, where to use which rule, don't worry about it. I will today tell you some things you have to focus on that only. First, we will discuss about the language skills. As you know, to learn any language, there are 4 language skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So we have to work on those skills only. If we work honestly on those 4 skills, 2 are the productive skills and 2 are the receptive skills. And when we receive, those are called receptive skills. When we receive, when we read, and when we listen, that time we receive, and when we write and speak, we produce. Those writing and speaking are the productive skills. So we have to work on these 4 skills only on the daily basis. Definitely you will have no problem in English speaking, and you will speak English confidently. Self confidence is also most important thing, so don't lose your confidence. Choose your favorite or most interesting topic. First thing, daily you have to do these things. Choose your favorite or most interesting topic and read about it. First skill is reading. Read about your favorite or most interesting topic. You may adopt the newspapers. If you want to read, and you should read the newspaper headlines. If you don't want to use a hard copy of newspapers, then you may install some apps like Times of India, The Hindu, and the Shorts. Many useful apps we have nowadays to read the news. Okay, write at least 2 pages on that topic. Second skill is writing. So the topic which we read, we have to write at least 2 pages on that topic on the daily basis. After that, listen news on that topic for 15 minutes using earphone. While we using earphone, then our pronunciation will also improve. I think CNN news is good for listening the news for English for 15 minutes at least. If you want more, if you have interest, you may. After that, discuss on that topic in English. Step 4, discuss on that topic in English. If you don't have any person to discuss with, you may stand before the mirror and you speak. Don't hesitate, don't worry, don't have shame on doing these things. Try to translate everything in English, even what you think. Always have in your mind whatever you think, whatever you have to speak, whatever you listen, whatever you read, everything try to translate into English, even what you think. After that, search and write the meaning of the words that you don't know in a diary. If you listen, if you read any word whose meaning you don't know, you have to search in dictionary or online in the Google and write the meaning of that words in your diary on the daily basis. If you will do these work on the daily basis, definitely it is 100% sure and guaranteed that you will speak English with full of confidence. There is no shortcuts, but you have to work on your 4 skills on the daily basis: reading, writing, listening and speaking. So be confident, be determined to do and to follow all these steps. Definitely you will have no problem in spoken English. You will definitely speak English with full of confidence. I assure you, I take full responsibility of it, and on the daily basis I will also discuss on any topic that you have to write on comment box of YouTube. If you write any topic of your interest, then next day I will discuss on that topic with all of you. We don't need grammar rules and anything else. We study grammar rules in the grammar and literature classes, and spoken English classes we will not study about the rules. We will only practice on our 4 skills on the daily basis. So like, share and subscribe, and also comment your favorite topic, your interesting topic in which you have interest. Definitely I will discuss with all of you on that topic one by one on the daily basis. So your homework is, you have to work on these 4 skills. The steps that I have given to you, this is your homework. Do it on the daily basis, and also write the date of each separate day. Thank you. Best of luck. Have a nice day.